Ramon Coleman was an apartment away from the armed standoff between Korryn Gaines and Baltimore County officers last month. It started when police kicked in Gaines' door to serve warrants. Police, Coleman says, took over his apartment next door to monitor the standoff. On camera, his comments about the incident were brief.
Should have used better tactics to get out the apartment. No one should die like that.
Off camera, Coleman told us, an hour into the standoff, he heard Gaines say, "You put yours down, I'll put mine down," an apparent reference to the shotgun she had. Hours later, Coleman told us, he heard a police officer say, "I'm sick of this, put the gun down," followed seconds later of the sound of shots being fired. Police say an officer named Ruby fired when Gaines threatened police with her shotgun. Lawyers for Gaines' family disagree.
He did not shoot her because he was in fear that she posed a threat to himself or other officers. They had been with Ms. Gaines for approximately 7 hours. He shot Ms. Gaines out of frustration, and that is not a legitimate basis for shooting and killing an individual.
This afternoon, Gaines' mother and other relatives sued Baltimore County. One claim, police did not lawfully enter the apartment because they had no firm evidence Gaines was inside.
When they took that key and cracked the threshold of that doorway so they can peer inside, ladies and gentlemen, that was a search. Indeed, it was an unlawful search.
The narrative given out by the government is making it seem like she was trash, and it's not factual.
Gaines' boyfriend left the apartment when police entered. He would not discuss what police said, talking only of the death of Gaines instead.
I can't understand why the people who get paid to serve and protect us can just take her life that way and not be held responsible for their actions.
The office of Baltimore County Executive Kevin Kamenetz said it could not comment on this case as it is pending litigation. The Gaines family's lawyer also said today it was wrong for police to get Facebook to take down the video she posted to her Instagram account, saying she had every right to record police. Reporting live tonight from downtown, I'm Jane Miller, WBAL TV 11 News.